So I'm back after many days, and it's again a long video, and it's not a sculpting video. Somebody asked me that how I can be a good seller on Fiverr, how I start out, how to make some money. So today we are going to discuss about it. How can we make some money on Fiverr and how to actually succeed on Fiverr, not fail like thousands of other gigs who will never get ability or any order. So let's discuss about it. But at first, a disclaimer that I'm not a Fiverr expert. I'm just a regular guy on Fiverr and I have made some gigs and it's worked out. So you can consider my things and experiment those things out. If work, then very good. If not, then it's a experience. So let's get started. So at first, we have to understand the platform. So basically, what we want from the platform. Before that, what we actually want. We want to do the thing we are good about. Like whatever thing you do, like as I do 3D sculpting and fitness related things. So you have something that you are good at and you want to do it. You have a very good time to do it and you just basically enjoy the thing. So you want to do the thing and you want that somebody else to pay for that so you can continue doing this and be better on it. So for that, we just want money basically. We want somebody else to pay for that. And what the platform wants, platform also wants money. So their main thing was making more and more money. So basically what they do, and suppose you are a seller on a Fiverr or you are at any other platforms like YouTube or any content social media platforms. Basically, everybody wants money, nothing else. So what they're gonna do? I'm going to example for YouTube. Suppose YouTube wants money. So they what they do? They bring some sponsors who can run some ads on YouTube. So they got some rich and they also got earnings. And YouTube bring those marketing advertisements and then show on their video. And when they show on their videos, what video making a good amount of retention. Like if people liking someone's video, then YouTube will put some ad on that video, not anybody else who had a very little engagement. Like viewers are really staying there for few seconds or few minutes. So that is the thing. The more viewers stick around that, the more money YouTube make with those retention and some clicks will convert from that. So basically Fiverr is the same thing. Fiverr earns from your commission. If you are a seller, then Fiverr earns from that and Fiverr wants to earn more. So what they're gonna do, they will push the gig what have a better portfolio, better service and who had take care of most of the clients. So they can serve the clients and they got the earnings in the form of commission. So that was the base platform, what they want to do and who they push. And next, we are going to talk about the thing we do. So basically, main thing was what you really enjoy to do. Then what are the most profitable niche in that? Like suppose you like to draw, you make a good drawing and you like to draw actually, but drawing itself is not that profitable in internet than animation. Like animations are basically the drawings, multiple drawings in a single frame. So if you draw multiple frames in a single second, so it will be a animation. And if you do animation, then you will get a better pay than just a drawing. You will get a good payment with drawing, a good gig, but animation, there will be a edge in animation because it's in demand and I really don't know what are the demand drawing and sketching portrait. I don't have any idea. But basically I'm saying something that choose what is most profitable and be good at it. Like if I'm making animations, then I will be good enough to serve someone who wants to make animation, or at least you should have some animations that you can show to the client. So he will see those and take a risk to work with you. I'm saying it risk because you are new. If you are starting out, then you are basically new. So you the buyer always have a risk to do it. Also, they can cancel the order afterward if they want to, but still they will lose the time when they want. So that is the thing. So first choose a good niche where you can get a good amount of profit. Then be better on it. Then make a portfolio to showcase your clients. Then just work and do it. And third, now you understand the platform. You made a good skills and a good portfolio. Next, what to do? You have to make a gig, and you have to make a good gig. And good gig means you already have some images, what you do to showcase. You research market, basically what other competitors doing in your sub-market or market. Then you made a gig with that pictures and give a good title, description and thumbnail, so it has some kind of visibility. People can search this and discover your gig on the pages where things rank. So you will get some traffic on your gig. At first, even 20-30 impressions are enough. Then you will gradually increase it by your performance. Then you have to give a good thumbnail that can attract clients. So basically, what are the good thumbnails? When you rank your gig will be with hundred and thousand of other gigs beside. So you have to be stand out to click on your gig specifically. I mean, if someone searches to make animation, then your gig will appear and there will be some other gig also. What basically you have to do, you have to outstand those gigs to get most of the clicks on your gig that can attract buyers. And when someone clicks your gig, then it will a good chance to convert it as a client. So make a thumbnail that is, I mean, appealing and people want to click it. And you can add a intro video on your gig gallery so people can see who you are and what you actually offer. And also, you have to be clear what people get on your gig by the description. You will mention all the things on the description that you offer and what you don't offer. So people will be clear what they get and what they not. So it will be easier to manage the clients afterward. And next, pricing. So you always have to click on the pricing where it says make packages. Like you have to make packages, so you will offer a different variety of work, like from something basic to something complex. And also you should send custom offers to clients. What you are going to do at first, when you have no reviews, there are no social proof that you actually do a good thing. So I strongly encourage you to do the work as low as you can. If you are a professional, then you know the pricing and etc. everything. But if you are starting out and new, want to know the market, so it's better to go with a low price than a higher one, because high budget equals to high risk to clients. Then what you have to do next, we have done the pricing, the gig setup, and you have to optimize the gig. How do you optimize? You have to see performance, how your gig performing in every 1 or 2 weeks, not less than that. You have to see how much is your reach and how much is click. If your gig has a good click-through ratio, like 2 to 5% CTR, so it's good. Either way, you have to adjust the thumbnail, and if impressions are low, then you have to change the description a bit, or you have to change the tags a bit. So basically, what are clients searching, you will be appear on that, so you get some visibility. Also with the tag, you have to update the FAQs, like what are people asking in your gig. So it will also matter on the ranking. And basically, you have to check those out for 2, 3 weeks, 3 weeks maximum, 2 weeks minimum, and then change it if it's not working. You don't have to something what are not making any progress. So that is the thing. Then after doing that much thing, when you get the order, you will get orders not immediately, but after some time. First, you will get some spam messages, scammer messages, etc. But after some time, you will meet anyone who will do some work with you, like real work, not scamming. So you will get the order, and now you have to perform, like do more than expected. Like you have to make the best result of yourself, like what you have did. So take it as a portfolio work, then just make it like it will be the best of the best of your work till now, then deliver it. And always give a realistic timeline so you can do it comfortably, not too fast. If you do it too fast, then it will ruin your quality and also the mental peace. Then, after delivering the thing, the service, you can ask for a review. You can say like that if you like the model, if you like the service, then you can always leave a genuine review that will help me a lot, not more than that. Or you can make something yours, but it should be polite and not forceful. If you are writing something forceful, then you will report it, or Fiverr will automatically flag it and will get a warning that will affect your visibility and other things. So till now, you will receive a order and you deliver it and you get a review. I'm guessing it's 5 star, and in my cases, it was a 5 star. So for now, you are not anyone new. You have proved yourself that you can do things. You are not no one anymore. You are something now. So that was the basic journey of Fiverr to get your first order. Then after that, you will something on the platform. Next order will come, but not that fast, not that consistent, but it will still happen again. If you have made it once, you can make it again, and it will be much easier than first time because you already have the review. They are not going to be a perfect deal with the perfect budget, so don't expect it at first. After some time, you can get killer deals and you can charge more when you have more social proof and algorithm in your favor. Like you are doing your work and you have 3, 4, 5 orders in queue, so you will charge basically more to track another order on top of that. And people actually pay the person who has multiple orders in queue to be the next person to work with. So that's it for today. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will add my Insta handle on the description so you can check it out. If you have any questions that you want to talk about, and if you have any problems, you are always welcome. Feel free to DM me at any time. Anyways, till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye.